Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out two major assets together, and we will check out the price actions and of course how they played out, and of course we're going to see the next move of these two major assets. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, remember this video is for educational purpose, so if you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. And if you are yet to join the Telegram channel, then you are missing a lot. The link to the Telegram channel will be there in the description box below this video, and I will try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section so that you can easily have access to it. There are a lot of activities going on in the Telegram channel, like free signals and the likes. 100% free. Just take advantage of it, and you milk the market together with us. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be checking out two major assets. We'll be checking out PAINX 1200 and of course FX volume 60. So we will be starting with PAINX 1200. We will be checking out the charts together and of course see what we can get from here. Like I have told you, I love trading the trend because it gives us the opportunity to milk the markets in one direction for a very long time. So what do? I decided to come up with a trading tool that will help me to analyze better, to figure out the trend right from the beginning before it even gets started. And that is the trading tool you are seeing on the screen right now. It is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It also gives me a sell signal and a buy signal, which means it gives you an entry point and an exit point. Okay, so that's the beautiful part of it. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and it was unable to break out from there. Okay, even though generally this is on downtrend, just the way we are saying it. And how do we know that? Okay, it came down, went back up, came down, went back up. You can see it's been following that pattern for a very long time, and it has been moving from a particular direction to this direction. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can see that, okay, it has been moving from the upper part of this channel to the lower part of this channel. So when it gets here, it went back up, and of course after getting to the upper part of the channel, okay, it came back down till it got to the lower part of the channel, and of course went back up again, came back down. Yesterday I said that this is going to go back up because it has gotten to the lower part of the channel, except if it breaks out or breaks away from this lower part of the channel totally. If it does not, then it will go back up. Okay, you can see it went back up and got to the upper part of the channel, and it didn't break away from there also. So it started selling also. It will sell till it gets to the lower part of the channel again. So that is how it has been moving. You can see sometimes your basic knowledge is also very important in trying to get your movement right, so that you can always milk the market all the time. You can see just from the movement of the market alone, we already knew that it is going in this direction, but it is more of a downtrend, but um going within this channel. Okay, comes down, goes back up, comes down, and of course goes back up. All these happened within this channel. And remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine if you had been trading it all this while in this form, you would have made a lot of profits from here. Right now this is going back down, and we are most likely to find it at the lower part of the channel. So that is for PAINX 1200 on 15-minute time frame. You too can check it from your side and try to figure out what I am showing you right from here. Okay, so now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be FX volume 60. This is another beautiful asset which I love trading. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. If you remember very well, most especially those of you within the Telegram channel, you will notice that we got up to 10 times of our trading capital from trading this downtrend alone. And that's because we traded it for like 2 to 3 days. It's almost 3 days, okay? And that's so amazing, guys. And of course, we made a lot of profit right from here. And ever since, we've been trying to check on it to see when it's going to kickstart the uptrend. Finally, it actually the downtrend didn't start from here. It started from here. Check it out, guys. It started from here, guys. It started from here, and of course it got to the support zone and broke out below it around here and gave us more selling opportunity to get to this region. You can imagine, this is so amazing. That is the beautiful part of trading the trend. Okay, so once you are able to master the art of trading the trend, then you will definitely be making profit on most of your trades. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. You are most likely to be getting this right whenever you are trading. And how do you master it? Of first thing is for you to understand it. Have a good tool. If you don't know how to identify the trend, have a good trading tool that can help you to identify the trend. Identify your entry point, and you know your exit point. Okay, and of course, guys, once you are able to get all this right, then you need to practice very well on your demo account. I always say this in most of my videos. You don't just pick up any strategy and go to your real account immediately and try it out. If you do that, you are most likely to lose your money. But if you want to be profitable here, you need to be patient enough to learn the art of trading, and of course, learn how to practice very well on your demo account before trying any strategy at all on your real account. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this has actually gotten to this support zone again, and it has not been able to break out from there, at least at the moment. So we are most likely to experience an uptrend right from here. Okay, so this has given us the uptrend signal, even though the movement is so slow, guys. It's so slow, but it is still moving in an uptrend way. Okay, so hopefully, probably when the market will be very volatile, it's going to move very fast, and of course it will cover up all these spaces. So if it works out very well, then we are most likely to find it around this region. Okay, and that will be so amazing. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, I hope you guys understand this. It is important you understand the trend. Once you understand the trend, then you are most likely to be making profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, if you have any other question, can you drop it down there in the comment section? I will be there to reply, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.